In this video, I will go over the Arabic alphabets with the harakat, with the short vowels. Let's get started. Let's start with the names of the Arabic alphabets. And the names of the Arabic alphabets has nothing to do with the pronunciation part, like ABC. So these are only the names of the Arabic alphabets. Just a reminder, Arabic language is right to the left language. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dal, Ra, Zay. In a different textbook, they name it Zain. Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Dha, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Ha, Waw, and Ya. Let's start with the first short vowel. The first short vowel, we call it Fatha, and anytime you see Fatha, you have to add a sound. And Fatha, we write it above the letters. A, Ba, Ta, Tha, Ja, Ha, Kha, Da, Dha, Ra, Za, Sa, Sha, Sa, Ta, Ta, Dha, A, Gha, Fa, Qa, Ka, La, Ma, Na, Ha, Wa, Ya. The second short vowel is Damme, and Damme, when you see it, you have to add U sound. It's like wow, small wow, you add U sound, and we always write it above the letters. U, Bu, Tu, ث جو حو خو تو ذو رو زو سو شو صو ضو طو ذو عو غو فو قو كو لو مو نو هو وو يو. The third short vowel, we call it kasra, and kasra we write it below the letter and it sounds E. So again, we write it below the letter and you add the sound E. E, B, T, Th, G, H, G, D, D, R, Z, C, She, C, D, D, ضي عي غي في قي كي لي مي ني هي وي إي. The fourth and the last short vowel, it's a lack of a short vowel. It's the absence of a short vowel. We call it sukun and we write it like small circle above the letter. And sukun has no sound. Remember, I said the first short vowel we have fatha, we pronounce it a. The second one, damme, we pronounce it u. And kasra, we pronounce it e. So we have three sounds. Sukun, it's a small circle and has no sound. Let me show you some examples. If I want to read this, I will say ba with fatha, ba, ta with fatha, ta. If I want to combine them, I will read it ba, ta, ba, ta. If I will change it with damme, again ba with fatha, ba, تا والضمة to. Combine them با to. با فتحة با. تا كسرة T. Combine them با T. With سكون با with فتحة با. No sound. The way I pronounce it, bat. Bat. You stopped. You stop if you don't see any حركات like فتحة or ضمة or كسرة, because سكون has no sound. So here at the end I stopped. So let's read them one more time. Ba ta. Ba tu. Ba ti. Bat. Fatha, it's a small dash. We write it above the letters and it sounds like a. Damme, it's a small waw. We write it above the letters, it sounds u. Kasra, we write it below the letters, it sounds e. And the fourth one, sukun. Sukun is empty. You see there's no colors inside sukun. Sukun is empty, has no sounds. The absence of the short vowels. And the last thing, let's do the alphabets with the 3 short vowels. A, U, E. Ba, Bu, Bi. Ta, Tu, Ti. Tha, Thu, Thi. Ja, Ju, Ji. I always tell my students to sing it. Let's start from the beginning. A, U, I, Ba, Bu, Bi, Ta, Tu, Ti, Tha, Thu, Thi, Ja, Ju, Ji. So when you sing it, you memorize it. Let's continue. Ha, Hu, Hi. Kha, Khu, Khi. Da, Du, Di. Tha, Thu, Thi. Ra, Ru, Ri. Za, Zu, Zi. Sa, Su, Si. Sha, Shu, Shi. Sa, Su, Si. Da, Du, Di. Ta, Tu, Ti. Tha, Thu, Thi. A, U, I. Ra, Ru, Ri. Fa, Fu, Fi. Qa, Qu, Qi. Ka, Ku, Ki. La, Lu, Li. Ma, Mu, Mi. Na, Nu, Ni. Ha, Hu, Hi. Wa, Wu, We. And the last one, ya, you, ye. So try to sing it all the time. It's the best way to memorize it. So by yourself now, the second round, try to do it by yourself. A, u, I, ba, bu, bi, ta, tu, ti, tha, thu, thi, ja, ju, ji, ha, hu, hi, and continue.